Try my Sweet Potato Burrito Bowl. This bad boy is packed with more flavors, textures, and ingredients than you can shake a stick at.
I'm Rose Oatley. Let's get cooking.
First, let's launch this sweet potato sky high and see if it comes back down naked. Woo! It worked. Now that my potato acrobatics have succeeded, let's get to cutting. I'll slice this baby in half, then again in half, then we'll chop it into bite-sized chunks. Once done, place them on a sheet pan.
Now we're going to add a little bit of olive oil. You can also use avocado oil if you prefer. We'll hit it with some salt and pepper,
some garlic powder, thyme, and some rosemary. With clean hands, give them a toss, then set aside. For our rice, we'll be using 2 cups of white jasmine rice. You want to make sure you rinse it until the water runs clear. Add it to a rice cooker or pot. Then pour 3 cups of water, 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Cover and cook accordingly. Next, you'll need to chop half an onion. Watch and learn, folks. Yeah! Now watch me smash these 3 garlic cloves into minced perfection. Now chop 1 red bell pepper. Add to your sheet pan with the same spices, then roast at 400 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. In the meantime, I'm going to chop a little bit of cilantro to use as a topping later. To a large pan, add 2 pounds of ground beef. For a healthier option, you can substitute it with ground turkey. I love my little meat chopper. I'll post the link below in the description section on where you can find one. Once your beef is semi-browned, you want to add your onions. Then cook until completely browned. To season, we'll start with salt and pepper. Add your minced garlic. We'll also add 2 teaspoons of cumin, 1 teaspoon oregano, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, and 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika. Now, if you don't have any of these spices, you can make it easy for yourself and just add a packet of McCormick taco seasoning. Once mixed, add 1.5 cups of water or beef broth. I'll just give it a good mix to distribute that aromatic goodness. Can you smell the flavor profile intensifying? It doesn't get better than this. Once it starts to bubble, you want to cover it up and cook on low heat for 10 minutes. In the meantime, cook a 16-ounce bag of frozen corn with a little bit of water. Add 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter, this is optional, with a little bit of salt and pepper to taste. We'll also be heating up some black beans with salt and pepper. I like to use this Bush's brand, but you can use whatever you have. It's been 10 minutes and our beef is ready to go. It's time to assemble that bad boy. You gotta start with a base, so you want to lay down a nice fluffy bed of rice, then add the rest of your ingredients. Once all your main ingredients are in, it's time for the toppings. I like to drizzle mine with a little bit of avocado cilantro dressing. This is so good, folks. I'll show you which one I like, but I also have a homemade version I'll go ahead and post up top. We'll top it off with a little bit of cilantro for a nice Mexican flavor.
Finally, we can give it a try. I can't wait. Got to get a little bit of everything. So good.
With every flavor-packed spoonful, you'll be transported to Flavor Town. It's hearty, it's healthy, but most of all, it's incredibly satisfying. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to give it a like, share with your friends, and leave me a comment.
If you haven't already subscribed, please be sure to do so below or hit my little picture on the side. Also, don't forget to hit the little bell to get notified of all of my new videos, and please be sure to check out these links on the side. Share with your friends. Thanks for watching and your support.